Hi guys, this is Miss Hostetler. This is her room. I teach Intro to Photography, and whether you are virtual or in class, you will learn the basics of photography. Here's my room. We are using cameras in class, and if you're at home, you will use a cell phone. So today, the kids are using different shutter speeds. And then they're gonna photograph an action, and it can come out stopped action or blurred action. And using or learning how to use a manual camera is very exciting. So my room, 132 at McKencie. On the outside of my door, I have pictures. We've done silhouettes. We've learned how to use a little bit of Photoshop. We are definitely learning how to change our focus on our eyes and make it more creative. And here I am. Hello. So this is Intro to Photography, Miss Hostetler. 1 semester.